In the heart of Takamatsu, Kakagawa Prefecture, Japan, lies a factory where precision and craftsmanship meet on an extraordinary scale. Today, we take you inside to witness a process so meticulous, it's almost like creating a fine piece of art. This is the world of Japanese piston connecting rods. The journey begins with one of the most important materials in manufacturing: mold steel. Shiny and resilient, it's used to craft the molds that form the foundation of these vital automotive components. But before the steel can take shape, it's time to open the mold. Watch as workers carefully place a massive 2-ton block of mold steel onto a machine platform. With the press of a button, the intelligent machine takes over, while precisely calibrated cutting tools, called tool bits, begin their work. In less than an hour, the lathe transforms the block into the intricate mold required for the piston connecting rod. The result? World-class precision. After the mold is sculpted, it's cleaned and carefully inspected, ensuring that every detail is perfect, right down to the seams. With the mold in place, we move to the next stage, the manufacturing of the piston connecting rod itself. Now, steel bars, each made from the finest, high-strength core steel, are selected for the next step in the process. This material comes from top-tier Japanese suppliers, ensuring that only the best goes into the making of these components. The bars are cut into precise lengths by an automated machine, ready to be transformed. Once cut, the steel is heated to an incredible 800 degrees Celsius in a furnace, preparing it for the forging process. The red-hot bars are carefully removed and readied for the next stage. Next comes the forging stage, where powerful hammers shape the steel, gradually molding it into the shape of a piston connecting rod. It's a skillful dance of human precision and mechanical power. Once the steel reaches the right dimensions, it's measured for accuracy and adjusted before moving on to the final shaping process. Under immense force from a hydraulic press, the steel is transformed into the final shape of the piston connecting rod. But there's still more work to be done. After forming, the rods are cleaned, removing any debris left from the mold, and sent to a cooling area to naturally cool down. Now, the rods may look like finished products, but they're far from it. Next, they undergo a polishing process, where high-speed abrasive sand smooths out any rough surfaces. After just 20 minutes in the polishing machine, these rods are transformed into sleek, matte-finished works of industrial art, ready for use in high-performance engine parts or export around the world. Each piston connecting rod costs around $66, a testament to the precision, craftsmanship, and dedication involved in its creation. So, is it worth the price? The answer is clear. When it comes to Japanese manufacturing, excellence is built into every detail. This is the spirit of Japanese craftsmanship, the heart and soul of precision engineering.